What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Neo Secured Credit Card. Neo Financial is a cutting-edge financial platform designed to help users manage their money while maximizing rewards. Offering a range of services including high-yield money accounts, cashback credit cards, and low-fee investment options, Neo aims to enhance the financial experience. With over 1.3 million customers and a strong reputation in the fintech space, Neo Financial is committed to providing innovative solutions for everyday financial needs. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Build credit with confidence. The secured Neo MasterCard is an excellent option for individuals aiming to build or improve their credit score while enjoying the benefits of cashback rewards. For just $5 a month, users can secure guaranteed approval without undergoing hard credit checks, making it accessible for those with limited credit history. The card reports to major credit bureaus including TransUnion and Equifax, allowing users to track their credit progress over time. As users make purchases, they earn cashback based on their spending, with rates linked to the balance in their Neo Everyday account. This dual benefit of building credit and earning rewards encourages responsible financial management, giving users the tools they need to enhance their creditworthiness while enjoying the perks of everyday spending. Smart budgeting made easy. Neo Financial's Insights feature is a powerful AI-driven budgeting tool designed to help users gain a deeper understanding of their financial habits. By providing real-time data visualizations, Insights allows users to see where their money is going and identify trends in their spending behavior. This feature goes beyond mere tracking. It offers personalized savings opportunities and educational insights tailored to individual financial situations. Users can ask questions and receive immediate, relevant responses from the AI, making budgeting more interactive and engaging. With these insights, users can make informed financial decisions, set achievable savings goals, and develop effective strategies to enhance their financial health. This feature empowers users to take control of their finances, ultimately leading to smarter spending and improved financial literacy. Stay informed and empowered. Credit score monitoring is a vital feature offered by Neo Financial, enabling users to keep a close eye on their credit scores and understand the factors that influence them. Users can access their current credit score in real time, along with a historical view that shows changes over time. This transparency helps users identify trends and assess the impact of their financial decisions. Additionally, the platform provides insights into key factors affecting the credit score, such as payment history and credit utilization. Personalized tips and recommendations empower users to take actionable steps to improve their credit scores, fostering a proactive approach to financial health. By staying informed about their credit status, users can make better financial choices, ultimately enhancing their creditworthiness and opening doors to future borrowing opportunities. Peace of mind for your finances. Balance protection is an invaluable feature from the Neo Financial that offers users peace of mind during unexpected financial challenges. This optional coverage helps ensure that users can meet their minimum monthly credit card payments even in times of hardship such as job loss or medical emergencies. For a minimal fee, users can safeguard their credit card balance, which helps maintain good credit standing and avoid late payment penalties. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may face financial uncertainties, as it provides a safety net that allows them to manage their credit responsibly. By offering this layer of protection, Neo Financial empowers users to navigate financial difficulties without jeopardizing their credit scores, ultimately fostering a sense of security and stability in their financial lives. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One significant drawback of Neo Financial is its lack of physical branches, which can be inconvenient for users who prefer in-person banking services. Unlike traditional banks, Neo operates primarily online, meaning customers cannot visit a local branch to seek assistance or resolve complex issues face-to-face. This absence of physical presence may lead to frustration for those who value direct interaction with banking representatives. While online support options like chat and email are available, they may not always suffice for urgent matters, potentially leaving customers feeling disconnected and unsupported during critical financial situations. When applying for a Neo Financial product, users should be aware that a hard credit check is required, which can impact their credit score. While this practice is common among many financial institutions, Neo does not always clearly communicate this requirement during the sign-up process. As a result, users may caught off guard when they discover their credit score has been affected. This lack of transparency can lead to dissatisfaction, especially for those who are actively working to improve their creditworthiness or are concerned about the implication of hard inquiries on their financial health. Neo Financial's offers may not meet the diverse needs of all customers due to its limited range of financial products. While the platform provides attractive features like cashback credit cards and high-interest savings accounts, it lacks essential services commonly found in traditional banks, such as mortgages and comprehensive investment options. This narrow focus can hinder users seeking a one-stop financial solution that includes various banking services. Consequently, customers may find themselves needing to maintain multiple accounts with different institutions to access the full spectrum of financial products, which can complicate their financial management. In conclusion, Neo Financial offers innovative features that empower users to manage their finances effectively while building credit and earning rewards. However, potential drawbacks such as limited physical presence, hard credit checks, and a narrow range of financial products may impact some users' experiences. Overall, for those comfortable with online banking and seeking straightforward financial solutions, Neo Financial can be a valuable tool for achieving financial goals and enhancing overall financial health. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.